we watched this video, the Sunday service, and she observed that it's good to experience to be with the people inside the church, the community, all of that. So I tried to find a church here that uh, the church that the salvation is the same concept of what free grace is. So I found this church and I observed and I know their doctrine about salvation, which is the same belief that we have as free grace. So I went to this church with this lady, and I like this church. So, but before we continue to attend this church, one of the member of this church interviewed me and also to the lady. And when they found out that I am a Bible teacher, and this lady is the one that I studied with, and instead of interviewing me, they interview the lady about salvation, of what her belief about salvation. And then this lady telling about the belief of salvation, and then we are the same. So we continue to attend this church, and now we are part of this church. I am part of this church to also to help for ministry, like growing